Within the network of illicit financial practices, a particularly cunning and widespread method emerges: the Black Market Peso Exchange, BMPE. Operating covertly, this system lies at the nexus of money laundering, trade-based fraud, and undercover economies, presenting a formidable obstacle to combating financial crime. But what exactly is the Black Market Peso Exchange, and how does it work? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is the Black Market Peso Exchange, how do criminals use the Black Market Peso Exchange, and how is the Black Market Peso Exchange being combated? Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is the Black Market Peso Exchange, BMPE? The Black Market Peso Exchange is a sophisticated money laundering scheme commonly used by criminal organisations to launder the proceeds of illicit activities, such as drug trafficking, arms smuggling, and human trafficking. The process typically involves the conversion of US dollars obtained from illegal activities into Colombian or Mexican pesos through seemingly legitimate trade transactions. How does the BMPE work? The BMPE operates through a network of brokers, traders, and money launderers who facilitate the conversion of illicit funds into Colombian or Mexican pesos. Here is a simplified overview of the process. Illicit proceeds. Criminal organisations generate proceeds from illegal activity, often in the form of US dollars. Trade transactions. The illicit funds are used to purchase goods or merchandise in the United States, such as electronics, clothing, or consumer goods. Export to foreign markets. To countries with robust informal economies, such as Colombia, Mexico, or other Latin American countries. Sale and conversion. The exported goods are sold in local markets for pesos, effectively laundering the illicit funds. The pesos obtained from the sale can then be reintegrated into the formal financial system or used to finance further criminal activities. Key characteristics of the BMPE. Complexity and opacity. The BMPE operates through intricate networks of brokers and traders, making it difficult for law enforcement agencies to trace and disrupt illicit transactions. Integration with legitimate trade. Criminal organisations exploit legitimate trade channels to conceal the origins of illicit funds, blurring the lines between legal and illegal activities. Global reach. The BMPE transcends national borders, with transactions spanning multiple countries and jurisdictions, complicating efforts to combat money laundering and financial crime. Impact on global financial systems. The Black Market Peso Exchange poses significant challenges to global financial systems and undermines efforts to combat money laundering and terrorist financing. Its pervasive nature and sophisticated techniques enable criminal organisations to launder billions of dollars annually, fueling corruption, undermining financial integrity, and perpetuating instability in affected regions. How much money is lost to the Black Market Peso Exchange? It is challenging to provide an exact figure on the amount of money lost to the Black Market Peso Exchange, BMPE, due to the covert nature and the difficulty in accurately quantifying illicit financial flows. However, estimates suggest that the billions of dollars are laundered annually through the BMPE and other similar schemes worldwide. The exact impact on the economy varies depending on factors such as the size of the informal economy, the extent of the criminal activities, and the effectiveness of anti-money laundering efforts. Nevertheless, the BMPE's ability to facilitate the laundering of illicit proceeds undermines the integrity of financial systems, distorts economic activities, and poses significant challenges to efforts aimed at combating financial crime and promoting economic stability. How is the Black Market Peso Exchange being combated? Combating the Black Market Peso Exchange, BMPE, requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration among law enforcement agencies, financial institutions, regulatory authorities, and international partners. Here are several key strategies used to combat the BMPE. Enhanced regulatory oversight. Strengthening anti-money laundering AML and counter-financing of terrorism CFT regulations to detect and prevent illicit financial activities associated with the BMPE. This includes implementing robust customer due diligence measures, transaction monitoring systems, and suspicious activity reporting requirements. International cooperation. Promoting collaboration and information sharing among law enforcement agencies and financial intelligence units across jurisdictions to disrupt BMPE networks and dismantle money laundering operations. This involves bilateral and multilateral agreements, as well as participation in international organisations such as the Financial Action Task Force, FATF. Public-private partnerships. Fostering collaboration between government agencies, financial institutions, trade organisations and other stakeholders to identify and mitigate risk associated with the BMPE. This includes sharing information, conducting joint investigations, and implementing best practices to enhance AML CFT compliance. Technological solutions. Leveraging advanced technologies such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, and blockchain to enhance the detection and monitoring of illicit financial activities associated with a BMPE. This includes the development of innovative tools and platforms to identify suspicious transactions and patterns. Capacity building and training. Providing training and resources to law enforcement personnel, financial institutional staff, and other stakeholders to enhance their capacity to detect, investigate, and prosecute BMPE-related crimes. This includes raising awareness to the risk associated with a BMPE and providing guidance on effective AML CFT measures. Targeted enforcement actions. Conducting targeted enforcement actions against individuals, businesses and entities involved in BMPE-related activities. This includes investigating and prosecuting money laundering offences, seizing assets derived from illicit proceeds, and imposing sanctions on violators. Public awareness and campaigns. Educating the public about the risks associated with a BMPE and encouraging compliance with AML CFT regulations. This includes raising awareness of the consequences of engaging in illicit financial activities and promoting ethical behaviour in financial transactions. Let's recap. The Black Market Peso Exchange represents a sophisticated and pervasive money laundering scheme that poses significant challenges to global efforts aimed at combating financial crime. By understanding its intricacies and implications for global financial systems, stakeholders can develop targeted strategies to disrupt BMPE networks, safeguard financial integrity, and promote a more transparent and secure international financial system. Vigilance, collaboration, and innovation are essential in the ongoing fight against the Black Market Peso Exchange and other forms of illicit financial activities. Well, there you have it. What is the Black Market Peso Exchange? How do criminals use the Black Market Peso Exchange? And how is the Black Market Peso Exchange being combated? Please tell us in the comments section what you think about the Black Market Peso Exchange and highlight any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own fully accredited courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.